Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 BMW M8, a car that continues to represent the very best of German engineering, blending raw performance with supreme luxury and modern technology. The M8 has always been one of BMW's most prestigious models, a high-performance grand tourer that sits at the top of the brand's lineup, and the 2026 model only raises the bar further. With updates in design, an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than just a car cabin, new safety technology, and breathtaking performance figures, the latest M8 is designed to appeal to drivers who want it all: speed, comfort, and prestige. Let's break down everything about the interior, exterior, pricing, safety, performance, and overall impression of the 2026 BMW M8. Starting with the interior, the 2026 BMW M8 is pure luxury combined with cutting-edge technology. BMW has redesigned the cabin to feel more futuristic while retaining the driver-focused layout that enthusiasts love. The centerpiece is BMW's curved display, merging a massive digital instrument cluster with a widescreen infotainment system powered by the latest iDrive 9 software. The graphics are sharper than ever, with quick touch response and improved voice controls. The system also integrates AI-based personalization, meaning the car learns your habits, whether it's climate settings, seat positions, or your favorite driving modes. High-quality materials dominate every inch of the cabin, with options for extended merino leather, Alcantara headliners, and carbon fiber trim. For those who want even more exclusivity, BMW offers individual customization, allowing buyers to create a truly one-of-a-kind interior. The seating is a perfect balance between luxury and sportiness, with M Sport bucket seats that provide bolstering for spirited driving but remain comfortable on long road trips. Rear passenger space is better than expected for a coupe, although the M8 remains more of a driver's car than a family hauler. Ambient lighting, Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound, wireless charging, and a new augmented reality heads-up display elevate the sense of being in a modern, high-performance cockpit. On the exterior, the 2026 BMW M8 makes a bold statement the moment you see it. BMW has taken its already aggressive design language and refined it further. The front fascia now features slimmer laser headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights that create a menacing glare on the road. The iconic kidney grille has been slightly reshaped, making it more aerodynamic while still unmistakably BMW. Air intakes are larger and more functional, feeding cool air to the turbocharged engine and performance brakes. The profile of the car remains sleek and muscular, with sculpted lines flowing seamlessly into wide rear haunches that emphasize its rear-wheel drive character. At the back, quad exhaust pipes and a carbon fiber diffuser remind you that this is a machine designed for speed. The 2026 M8 also comes with optional carbon fiber exterior packages, 21-inch lightweight forged alloy wheels, and a range of new paint colors, including bold metallic finishes and frozen matte options. Every angle of the car speaks of power, elegance, and performance, ensuring that the M8 turns heads wherever it goes. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW M8 is a monster on the road. Power comes from a revised 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that now pushes out around 640 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque in the competition trim. BMW has fine-tuned the engine to deliver even sharper throttle response while maintaining efficiency thanks to hybrid assist technology. The mild hybrid system provides an extra electric boost at lower speeds, reducing turbo lag and improving overall fuel economy. Mated to an 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission, the car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.0 seconds, making it one of the fastest grand tourers on the market. The MX Drive all-wheel drive system remains, offering incredible traction but also the option to switch into rear-wheel drive mode for pure driving excitement. Adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and precision steering make the M8 feel planted whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the Autobahn. BMW has also introduced advanced cooling systems and upgraded brakes with carbon ceramic options, ensuring that the M8 can handle track duty just as easily as it handles daily commutes. The exhaust system delivers a deep, throaty roar that is exhilarating without being obnoxious, giving the M8 a signature soundtrack to match its performance. Safety is another area where the 2026 BMW M8 excels. BMW has packed the car with its latest suite of driver assistance systems under the Driving Assistant Professional package. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a new intersection assist system that helps avoid collisions in busy urban areas. A 360-degree camera system, augmented reality navigation, and semi-autonomous highway driving features make the M8 not just safe but also incredibly convenient on long journeys. The structure of the car uses advanced lightweight materials, combining high-strength steel with carbon fiber-reinforced plastics to maximize crash safety while keeping weight in check. Airbag coverage, electronic stability control, and advanced traction management round out the safety offerings, ensuring peace of mind even at high speeds. Pricing for the 2026 BMW M8 reflects its status as a top-tier luxury performance car. The base coupe is expected to start around $142,000, while the convertible version begins closer to $152,000. The competition models, which add extra horsepower, sharper handling, and unique design elements, will likely start at around $160,000 and can climb well above $175,000 with optional packages. Add in BMW individual customization, carbon ceramic brakes, and high-end interior options, and it's not hard to see the M8 crossing the $200,000 mark. While this may sound steep, the M8 competes with cars like the Mercedes-AMG GT, Porsche 911 Turbo S, and Audi R8, and in that company, its pricing is competitive given the blend of luxury, performance, and daily usability. Overall, the 2026 BMW M8 is the ultimate expression of what BMW stands for: sheer driving pleasure, modern luxury, and advanced technology all wrapped into one stunning package. It's a car that can dominate the racetrack on Sunday and then drive you across the country in comfort on Monday. The interior makes you feel like you're sitting in a luxury lounge, the exterior design makes an unforgettable statement, and the performance ensures that you never forget what's under the hood. Safety and technology only enhance the appeal, giving you confidence behind the wheel whether you're pushing the car to its limits or simply enjoying a relaxed drive. The M8 is not just another luxury sports car, it's BMW's way of showing the world that they can balance passion, precision, and prestige in one extraordinary machine. For those who demand the very best from their car, speed, style, and sophistication, the 2026 BMW M8 remains one of the most